Hello everybody, here I am in front of my favorite tree, so good I could eat it. That's my moringa tree. And moringa is an amazing food. As you know, I talk about a lot. 92 essential nutrients are in this tree. In Africa and other countries around the world, they literally use this tree to survive. This is nature's true multivitamin. It is absolutely amazing. And it tastes great too, but not everyone is blessed to have a tree like this. So I have now on my site Moringa Capsules and also a Moringa tincture that you could take to get all these nutrients and the benefits of this tree without actually having to have the tree. But I kid you not, I literally eat off this tree, and I use the leaves all the time. I powder them down, and now we have them into capsules. Now these aren't from my tree, but I searched the world, and literally there's a lot of companies on Amazon and other places that sell Moringa capsules and products from India and some other countries that they're just not as good quality. And I have a friend who has a farm in Nicaragua, and all the volcanic ashes and the volcanic soil and everything else, it's deep, rich into the soil, and the nutrients are in the soil. So you have the most nutrient place in the world to grow food, and we're able to get he has so many acres of moringa there, so he was able to powder it. It's all kosher and 100% organic, and he was able to get these in capsules, vegetable capsules, and I'm so glad to have them on the site. And also the tincture, which is he gets as well from the leaves. Just so great. There's so many benefits to moringa, and I know this is the best one. So if you can't have a tree like this, get this. The link will be below the video. And I also have the seeds. If you can have a tree like this and you want to grow a tree like this, I have the seeds also that germinate really well. So yeah, there's not enough I could say about moringa. It's so good. So good. And all right, everybody. If you've had moringa and experienced the benefits, let us know. Everyone I know that has moringa, they're just so excited about it because they feel the difference, because you're getting your body the nutrients it needs, because there's so many nutrients in here that you're not going to get from other places. And a lot of the multivitamins out there are chemically factory made. This is natural. This is nature at its best. So there's no chemicals added to this or anything. It's the leaves, 100% edible, and you literally just powder it down, and they put it in capsules to make it easier for you to enjoy, and it's wonderful. All right, everybody. I hope you're taking nature's multivitamin and getting some moringa in your diet. Until then, everybody, have a great day and a great raw life.